Hi there, welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Say today I got a real treat. We have our first S25. The S series just came out last season. That comes in a 21, a 23, and a 25. So today we're going to walk you through the S25 from Nautique. The S25 with the new way that they're building it kind of has more of a pointed bow. A lot of room and space in the bow. We'll see that on the interior, and then a lot of different lines with the way that they actually create the boat. So I'll walk you through the colors real quick. So I don't know if we can see it in the video, but this is a meadow flake. This is the Admiral Blue meadow flake. And then as we come around, the gray is called a haze gray. And then obviously you can see the Admiral Blue meadow flake again on the side. We come to the back, we got a excellent swim platform for hanging out or getting back up onto the platform. You got a nice grab handle here. You do have the ladder if you would like to use that as well. We've got the Nautique Surf System, or NSS. We got the surf pipe, NCRS, everything we need back here. And then this one is optioned with the steer assist. So the boat can be spun in a 360 or go straight in a reverse. So we got the underwater lights as well. We've got some nice seats on this S25, built just a little bit differently where they're kind of situated this way so your legs fit perfectly while you're sitting here and not off to the side. So a lot of different options that we can go through. Let's go to the interior of the boat and take a look. All right, welcome to the interior of the boat. Wanted to start here in the bow and just show you how much space you have here. Obviously this is a 25-foot boat. We got plenty of space up here for 2, 3, maybe even 4 people. You can get the bow filler cushion that fills right in there. And I just wanted to sit down in here real quick and just show you how deep you are in this boat, which is really nice. Your shoulders come right up to here. I've got a grab handle, cup holders, USBs right here, everything. It's phenomenal. Lots of space in this 25-footer. So come through the walkthrough. Just want to show you real quick the helm. We got a gorgeous helm seat, just like all the Nautiques. It's got a nice big high back. It's got a lift up bolster here so you can get up a little bit higher. The nice steering wheel, the ergonomics here are really nice where you have your throttle and then you have the joystick control right there. You've got some storage underneath this seat here. You've got seat all the way up and down, but I can lift that up and then I can have people sit behind here. And then right under here, we have the cover in there, but you got that with a subwoofer in there and a lot of storage. On this side here, more seating, all right? We got seating up and down, which is really nice. You got plenty of space for everybody. You've got another backrest that pulls up, so everybody sitting back that way. I'll back up just a second here. We got the nice bimini up top. Those wings fold out and lock into place on the tower. We've got the strapless board racks. These just lift up, put your board in there, and then the 2 tower speakers, 8.8-inch JL drivers up here, and then with the down lighting as well. We do have another seat that does pull out in this boat. Pop this here, lift up, you've got people sitting all the way back. You've got the nice true walk-through with SeaDeck up and down throughout this entire boat. And then I'll open these 2 up here. And because this is a subfloor ballast, you've got plenty of storage down in here for all your toys, everything that you need when you're coming on the boat. This is the S25. So it's a brand new boat from Nautique. It is here in stock at our Rogers location. So give us a call to set up an appointment or just stop on by. We'd love to walk you through it. Thanks a lot.